We can see now we've got our circular primary clarifier. It's called a primary clarifier because it's the first initial stage of treatment. We refer to this as primary treatment or a primary clarifier, and after this stage the liquid being handled will go for secondary treatment, most likely in a secondary clarifier. Here we've used a vertical scum baffle, and the scum will essentially accumulate at around about this height here, and we're stopping or preventing the scum from going the other side of the scum baffle and reaching our weir. And this is our weir here. This is called a V-notched weir. I'll zoom around so we can also see the labels as well as what I'm talking about. So here we've got a V-notched weir, that's this item. We've got here a baffle plate. This is actually referred to as an energy-dissipating inlet. I'm going to zoom out so we can get a higher view because I think it's a lot easier to see what's happening. So here you can see we came in through the port here. We entered into the clarifier and we hit this wall here, this baffle, which is called an energy-dissipating inlet. Notice that some of the liquid would flow out this way and some of it would flow downwards. See, it's coming around. You've got to imagine that the water line is about roughly where the scraper is, or where the scum scraper is. Just pause it, we'll zoom in a bit more. And here it comes. Here comes the scum scraper. And then when it impacts with the scum trough, notice the scraper's been pushed up slightly now. And it's going to discharge into the scum trough. We can see there's a little hole here, and from there we can then get rid of the scum. You're going to see these items installed in sewage treatment plants, water treatment plants, pulp and paper plants, mining facilities, and anywhere else where there's a large amount of water that needs to be treated prior to being discharged into the environment or being recirculated and reused again.